Now you know what I have to put up with.
Sleeping. Ah. The giant sleeping.